Hi everyone, this is Microtic and today I'll show you how to configure hotspot in your Microtic router. Then we have to run this command to configure hotspot. IP hotspot setup. That is going to configure the hotspot. That command, make sure you have already configured the interface with IP address and you have configured the TCP, you have configured the pool and configured the DNS. Now it is the time to select the interface, select the network, and you have to select the network port, address port, and select the certificate. The certificate here we use none. We don't need SSL login to my users. We have to put the DNS, we have to put the DNS name, DNS servers, and we have to put the SMTP servers. The default is 0000 set IP. If I say IP hotspot print, you can see various hotspot have been created. I created the second one. The first is by default, and the second, the number one is I created, but the number two is that I created now. And I don't need to authenticate users within the hotspot users because I have to make my CPU work effective without overloading. I'll use a system package called the user manager, and the user manager will manage user like radius in other routers like pfSense. So you can install the package if it is not installed. If you want to see if a package is available, you have to use system package print, and you can see the system the package is available. And now we are going to set it. Use to user manager, set custom. We have to add the custom that will interact will manage the users. The customer is already by default created called admin. You can add your own admin, you can add your own custom, but I will set this to use only to have only users and only profiles and only routers. This profile, this custom admin. After that, you can see hotspot user profile is. I have created it previous. I can reuse them, but you can create it with the command. I use IP hotspot use add them. I'll add the use that will connect to the hotspot, and that user is called student and password is student. I'll set the user profile called 1 MB. I have a profile called 1 MB here, and I created it, as you can see in my profile user profile list, and I set disable in order to make it active immediately. Okay, that is. Again, you have to configure. Let's see available users. The default one is the default created called admin, and I have to add another user called student with profile 1 MB, and that profile is the rate limiting for upload and download. And the default user called admin have a default profile that is created by default, and you can see a star indicating that the profile is default. If I connect now to the internet, I have connected with this Ethernet cable. I'm waiting for it to launch a page to log in. You can see a page here. Let me close all of it. And wait, what is happening? Okay, nothing. Let me try to reconnect or disconnect and connect. and see what is maybe the cookies that the previous user authenticated were having cookies. So if I connect again, I can see I can redirect to the login page. The problem was the cookies. After clearing cookies with hotspot cookies, you can see I can be able to log in within a login page, and I can access my internet through a hotspot I created, and the interface that I'm connecting